All right, Darren, how do you feel about passing your driving test?
It's been a very long time coming. Failed 4 times in, I think it was 2017. So it feels very, very good, very refreshing to be able to drive around now. So very happy.
So how did Driving West Motor School help you get your Ps?
By really rigorously teaching all of the essentials for driving, basically being able to teach like how to drive under pressure, I think is also a very big essential part of Driving West Motor School that wasn't provided at any of the other places that I went to. So they really did help tremendously more than any of the competition, I guess. So it's very, very good.
Nice. And would you recommend Driving West Motor School to your friends?
Absolutely, absolutely. It's a breath of fresh air.
Nice. All good. Thanks for that, Darren.
No problem. Cheers.